In the streets of Thailand, we often find the Kanom Krok coconut pancakes in the sweet version. I show you the salty version. They are stuffed with meat and bean sprouts. Here are the ingredients for 24 pancakes. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Finally, cut the spring onion and the onion as well. Chop the garlic. Blend the jasmine cooked rice with 40 centiliters of water. It will bring crispy to the pancakes. Put it in a mixing bowl. The grains of rice are in very small pieces. Add the rice flour. Combine all together. Then add the coconut milk, the sugar that will make the crust of the pancakes slightly caramelized, 1 teaspoon of salt, half of the spring onion, mix all. Now prepare the meat stuffing. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan heated over high heat. Add the onion and the garlic. Stir for 1 minute. Add the ground pork, half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, the fish sauce. Stir for 3 minutes. Add the bean sprouts. Add the other half of the spring onion. Stir for 10 seconds. Then cut the fire. To cook the pancakes, use this special pan. Oil it and put on low-medium heat. Mix the batter each time before using it. Pour the batter into the hollows of the pan. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing. Put a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Then form a ball by sticking 2 halves together. Put them on a rack. Serve the Kanom Krok pancakes with a homemade spring roll dipping sauce. Immediately enjoy them. Bon appétit! These pancakes are delicious. Their crust is a little crunchy and they are soft inside. The scent of coconut is appealing. The stuffing made with meat and bean sprouts mix perfectly with the pancakes. And the spring roll dipping sauce brings sweetness and acidity. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.